People, welcome back to the channel. This is Birdbeak, and today I'm gonna be giving you a recap of Vybz Kartel show at the New York's Barclays Center. Let's begin the video. Hope you enjoy. Also, please leave a like and subscribe. It's totally free and it costs you nothing.
What the fuck? My phone fully charged. I worry, my phone fully charged. Yo, you had to be here to experience this shit. Please don't be capping. Sick! Ready? Watch the crowd, watch the crowd. Ready?
So apparently Vybz Kartel had a concert in Barclays Center in Brooklyn last night, and y'all on the internet cutting up about it. Because why y'all saying it was boring? It was trash. I'm confused. How? Like, what was y'all expecting for him to do? Go and throw oxtails in the fucking crowd or something? Like, what did y'all want him to do? He performed. Y'all sang along. And I don't get what's the expectations now of a concert. Like, I'm so confused. Somebody fill me in. Are y'all mad y'all paid them ridiculous prices and what? Like, just saw him sing the same songs you play at home? Like, I'm not understanding why is everybody so upset. Nobody forced y'all to pay for them tickets. So, I don't know. Whoever went to that concert, let me know in the comments what happened. Like, why was it boring in y'all's opinion? Like, let's talk about it because it's Vybz. It should have been Vybz all night, literally. I don't know. Y'all let me know.
One kind of glass. Last night never matter. Firefighter.
Life is so rough sometimes. God, me glad you hear me cry. Let it up, the general. Yeah, the Lord is around us, and the blessings surround us. I may not care who like me, because I want to show love. God, the Lord is around us, and the blessings surround us. I may not care who like me, because I want to show love. Oh, variation from General, praise your cry. Love your youth, love your youth, love your youth. Praise your cry, love your youth. I mean, there, ready.
Okay.
To them. I'm son. Wanna know about reunite? What you mean? Wanna know about reunite? Wanna know about Black Rhino? See that? Remember that?
Can't change and it will never
Never.
change. The man that bring me to the world.
Watch
watch how we ever deal with.
That is it.
And watch how we ever deal with Brooklyn. Jesus Christ. Them ready? Them ready? They don't ready. Active one right now. We out. Come back.
This man drop like this, like a baby, you can do what the hell up. Look at that bro! Yeah! Brooklyn! And the baddest borough! This man drop like this, like a baby, you can do what the hell up like this. Yes, they vote your life like 17. You last months before me, like with the list. What this man from 50s and parties? Yo, this man
Anyways, people, that's it for the video. Please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. With that being said, Bird Nation, stay sharp.